Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology paper 3 for February-March 2022. You have been supplied with the following source files. These are the source files. First we need to create an evidence document. We have to make sure the candidate details are given in the header or footer of the page, and you should save it as M22 evidence followed by your center number and candidate number. So this is an evidence document. Insert your candidate details in the header. You can give your name, center number and candidate number in the header. Save as. In your folder, M22 evidence followed by your center number and candidate number. Task 2, file management. Create a new folder called M22 HTML. So this is the working file folder. So let's create a folder. The name is M22 HTML. You need to copy these images into the folder. So these files I will move to this folder. So we have 6 files in this folder. Display the contents of your folder showing the folder name, for file names, extension sizes, video frame height and frame width. To show all the details, you can right click, go to view, content. Content view will show all the details like frame height, frame width, the type, extension, image size, everything. Now you can take a screenshot. This is step 1 evidence or evidence 1. You can paste the screenshot here. Next one, you are going to create a web page. Create in your folder a web page called naivasha.htm. So I'm going to use web expression for this task. Go to file, new. We need a web page, so go to HTML. Save as. Inside your M22 folder, you have to save it as Naivasha. Save. This web page must be created using a single table. The table must be center aligned and fit 80% of the browser window. So you need to create a table like this. You can see there are 4 rows and 2 columns. So let's insert a table. Go to table, insert table, 4 rows and 2 columns, and the width is 80%. So set it to 80% and it should be center aligned. Now we need to merge these 2 cells. So select these 2, right click, modify, merge cells. Now all these cells needs to be merged. So right click, modify, merge cells. Now let's set the width and height. So for cell A it is width is 100% and height is 20%. Let's name the cell A. It is 120. So go to cell properties. Width is 100 in percentage and the height is 20 in percentage. Give OK. Next, cell B, width is 65%. Cell properties, width is 65%. And in cell C, the width is 35. So the table is ready. The cell contents shown in the diagram must not appear on your final web page. So these letters must not be visible. Table borders must appear on the final web page. Set the title of the web page to Lake Naivasha home page. So to set the title, you can right click page properties and you have title here. You can type the title there, Lake Naivasha home page. Give OK. You can see the code. It will be shown in the code. Set in the HTML the name of the default target window to self. So right click page properties. You can see default target frame. Click on the edit button and self means same frame. So it is self here. Give OK and OK. Place in cell A the image M22 banner.jpg. So inside cell A, so remove the letter A, go to insert picture from file, from your folder banner.jpg. You can give the alternate text here as the banner image. In cell B, a video tag to display M22 lake.mp4. So we have to display a video tag. In order to display the video tag, let's go to the code. In the code where we have given the letter B, let's remove that letter. Now press enter to make space to write the code. So we need to add the video tag first. So this is the video tag and this is the closing tag which is generated automatically. You can bring this down. Now inside the video tag we need to write the source tag to show the source of the window, source of the video. Source src equal to, you need to give the name of the video. The name is M22 lake.mp4. Also you need to set the type equal to video. It's the video type and the format is mp4. This need to be specified. Now we need to fit the video in the cell. That means it will take the 100% of the width. So you need to, for the video tag, you need to give the width as 100%, width equal to 100%. Display an automated text-based error message if the browser does not support this video. So you need to give an error message here. Your browser does not support the video. Now let's check whether the video is working. You can see the video is shown here, but there are no controls, play button, stop button. So we need to add the keyword for the controls. So in the video tag, you need to add the property controls. Save, and let's refresh the window. Now you can see the video will play, the play button and all the controls are shown. So this is the code for the video. In cell C, we have to insert the image m22 eagle.jpg. So this is cell C. You can remove the letter C from here. Go to insert. Insert picture from file. M22 eagle. Insert. You can give the alternate text as eagle. So you can see the code for the image. Place inline style attributes into the HTML so that each image fits the width of the table cell. That means the inline style attribute should be set to 100%. So we have inserted 2 images here. So for those 2 images, let's set the inline style attribute. So this is the first image. Let's remove the height and width which is given there, because we are going to apply the inline style. Inline style is style equal to width 100%. So this has to be given for the other image also. Let's copy this code. Now this is the second image. Let's remove the height and width which is given, and then paste the inline style code, style equal to width 100%. Add appropriate alternate text to both images. We have already done that. Place in cell D the text from the file m22 text.txt. So in cell D, remove the letter D. Let's open m22 text, copy and paste it here. Set this as paragraph style. So select the text and you can set it as the paragraph style from here. Enter in cell E the text edited by, followed by a space, your name, center number, candidate number. In cell E, so remove E, edited by, your name, center number, candidate number. It should be set as H3. So select the text, click here and set it as H3. Create a hyperlink from the text. Click here to open a web page with the URL HTTP. So the URL is given here. So we have to create the hyperlink from the text. Click here. You can see click here in this cell. So select click here, right click, hyperlink. We need to link it to a web page. So go to existing file or web page and you need to write the name of the website there. magicalkenya.com in a new browser window called blank. So in order to set the new browser window, go to target frame, new window, blank, give OK, and then OK. Attach the style sheet m22 styles.css. You can attach the style sheet, click on attach style sheet, or you can find it from here, format, attach style sheet. Attach style sheet. So m22 styles, open and then OK. So the style is applied. Create a new style sheet. So we need to create a new style sheet first. Go to File, New, CSS, so that the table is center aligned within the browser window. So let's create a new style. Go to New Style, Table. It should be center aligned. So center align means we have to set the margins on the left and right to auto. Click on box, margin left must be auto and margin right must be auto. So this is for table. Now we have again table this is all table cells are for table data, so that we'll do afterwards. All table elements have the space between borders set to 10 pixel. So we need to set the border spacing to 10 pixel. Click on table, you have border spacing that must be set to 10 pixel. The top margin above the table is 173 pixel. Again click on box, the top margin should be 173 pixel, set it as pixel. So these are the properties of table style, give OK. Next we have to do all table cells have padding set to 10 pixel. So table cells are associated with TD style. Go to New Style, TD, and we have to set the cell padding. So go to box, the padding is 10 pixel. Give OK. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number are set as a comment at the end of the style sheet. So at the end of the style sheet, add the comment /*, give your name, center number and candidate number as the comment. So make sure your style sheet contains no HTML or scripting. Since we have used a new CSS file, there is no HTML in this. Save the style sheet as m22 styles2 followed by your center number and candidate number. File save as m22 styles2 followed by your center number and candidate number. Save. Attach the style sheet to your web page so that it has higher priority than the one attached in step 11. So you can attach the style sheet, and when you attach the style sheet which is attached later has higher priority, so you don't have to change anything, just attach the style sheet. Click on browse, select the style sheet here, give OK. Take a screenshot to show the file name and contents of your style sheet and place this in your evidence document. So this is your style sheet. Take a screenshot. Make sure the name of the style is also shown, and that should be placed as evidence 2. Evidence 2. Next we have to take a screenshot of the HTML source after saving the web page. So this is your web page. Save the web page. Click on code. You can see the code here. Copy all, Control A. Copy, and you can paste it as evidence 3. Evidence 3. Display the web page in your browser. So this is your browser. You can refresh it. Display all the web page. All the page should be seen. All text can be easily read and the address bar is visible. So you need to resize it. So click on this button to resize. Now reduce the size this way. So now the complete web page is visible. You can take a screenshot of this. That is your evidence 4. This is the end of the web page task. Next one is the spreadsheet, which will be uploaded in another video. Thank you for now.